soft, cinematic music fades in, confident, modern vibe. Welcome back to Auto Quake, where we dive deep into the latest automotive releases and bring you honest, detailed insights from the driver's seat. Today, we're exploring a car that doesn't scream for attention, but delivers where it matters most. The all-new Peugeot 301 for 2026. This compact sedan has always been about practicality, value, and reliability, and for 2026, Peugeot has refined the formula even further to deliver a smarter, sleeker, and more connected drive. Let's start with the design. The Peugeot 301 has received a subtle yet effective facelift. The front grille is now wider, featuring Peugeot's signature frameless design that flows seamlessly into the slimmer, more angular LED headlights. The daytime running lights now form a sharp claw-like motif, mirroring the brand's identity. The bumper has also been slightly re-sculpted to improve airflow and enhance the car's road presence. Around back, new LED taillights and a refined trunk line give the 301 a more upscale, cohesive look. It's not trying to be flashy, and that's the point. The 301 knows its audience. It's designed for drivers who want a reliable, good-looking sedan that does its job efficiently, and it does just that. Step inside, and the 2026 Peugeot 301 continues its journey toward modernity. Peugeot has refreshed the dashboard layout with improved materials, a more intuitive center stack, and a new 8-inch infotainment touchscreen that now supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The instrument cluster remains analog for the most part, but there's a new multi-info display in the middle that offers clearer graphics and more real-time data. One of the most impressive upgrades this year is the attention to cabin comfort. Even in base trims, the seats have been recontoured with better foam support, while higher trims get contrast stitching, faux leather inserts, and optional dual-zone climate control. It's quiet, comfortable, and feels more refined than you'd expect at this price point. Under the hood, Peugeot keeps things simple but effective. The 2026 301 is powered by a 1.6-litre, naturally aspirated petrol engine that delivers around 115 horsepower, paired with either a 5-speed manual or a 6-speed automatic transmission. It's not a performance car, but it doesn't try to be. This engine is about fuel efficiency, ease of maintenance, and low running costs. Peugeot claims fuel consumption figures around 6 litres per 100 kilometers, depending on the driving conditions and transmission choice. For markets that demand more efficiency or a touch more torque, there's also a 1.5-litre diesel option with improved emissions and better low-end grunt, perfect for long-distance driving or fleet use. Driving the 301 is exactly what you'd expect from a compact European sedan. It's light on its feet, handles confidently, and offers excellent visibility. All around, the steering is nicely weighted for city driving, and the suspension is tuned for comfort over rough roads, making it ideal for both urban and developing road markets. Don't expect sporty dynamics, but do expect predictability and ease of control, which is exactly what most buyers in this segment want. In terms of practicality, the 301 shines. The trunk offers over 500 liters of space, which is huge for this class. The rear seat backs can fold to accommodate longer items, and there's generous rear legroom and headroom, even for adult passengers. This makes the 301 not just a smart, family sedan, but a great option for taxis and rideshare fleets as well. Safety-wise, the 2026 model adds some much-needed improvements. Now included are ABS, electronic stability control, traction control, hill start assist, and up to 6 airbags depending on trim. There's also a rear-view camera, rear parking sensors, and a tire pressure monitoring system. It's not packed with every modern safety feature, but for the segment and price, it offers peace of mind and solid protection. And let's talk about price. This is where the Peugeot 301 makes a real statement. With a starting price expected around $17,000 to $19,000, depending on region and spec, it's one of the most affordable European sedans with real-world features and long-term durability. Top trims with automatic transmission, alloy wheels, and infotainment upgrades may reach around $22,000. still a strong value for what you're getting. To wrap it up, the 2026 Peugeot 301 isn't chasing trends or reinventing the wheel. It's sticking to what it knows, delivering reliable, affordable transportation in a stylish, functional package. If you need a dependable daily driver that balances comfort, practicality, and cost efficiency, the new 301 deserves your attention. That's all for today's review on Auto Quake. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more weekly car content, and let us know in the comments. Would you choose the Peugeot 301 over its rivals? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time with more cars that make sense and deliver value.